Welcome to Increase English 2.0. Let's learn together. Subscribe now.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning. You look very excited today.
Dad, why are you smiling?
Because we are going on an adventure tour today.
Wow! Really?
Yes, Arav, we are going to Green Valley Adventure Park.
This is amazing! I can't wait!
Pack your bag. We will leave in 30 minutes.
Okay!
Is everyone ready for our big adventure?
Yes, I'm all ready to go.
Let's make some amazing memories.
Dad, how far is the adventure park?
We will be there very soon, sweetie. Look outside. The mountains are beautiful.
Yes, and the river looks so clean.
Nature is wonderful.
We should take some pictures.
Great idea! Yav! Wow, this place is huge!
There are many exciting activities here.
Let's check the map first.
I want to try the rope bridge. Ha ha ha!
Good choice. Let's go there.
The bridge looks very high.
Don't worry. Walk slowly.
Hold the rope and keep your balance.
Okay, I can do it.
That's the spirit.
I crossed it! That was fun.
Excellent job, Arav.
This forest is beautiful.
Listen to the birds singing.
I feel like an explorer.
Adventure helps us learn new things.
Look, there is a sign ahead.
It says, hidden waterfall this way.
Let's find it.
I can hear water.
We must be close.
Look over there.
Wow, beautiful waterfall.
Nature's beauty is amazing.
Let's take a family photo.
Cheese!
There are two paths.
Oh no, which path should we take back?
Let's stay calm and check the map.
I think this path matches the map. Teamwork helps solve problems.
Good observation, Arav.
You're right. Today was wonderful.
We had fun and learned many things.
My favorite part was the rope bridge.
My favorite part was the waterfall.
My favorite part was spending time together.
Can we come again next month?
Of course!
Adventure is always better with family.
What an amazing day! Thanks for watching! To increase your English skills, don't forget to subscribe to Increase English 2.0. Click here to watch more, and see you in the next video.